Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to upgrade the RAM for my laptop. You can see here I have 16GB DDR5. Speed is 5200 MTS per second. So these are the RAMs I purchased to upgrade Kingston, each 16GB. So you can see here each 16 GB. So I am going to upgrade my laptop to 32GB DDR5. So we will start upgrading the RAM now. So just shut down the laptop. The laptop Dell Latitude 3550 Core i7 laptop. I am going to upgrade this laptop. So you can see here Latitude 3550. This laptop having 10 cores, so very good laptop to use virtualization machines and everything. You can see here it is removed. You can see here there is already have 8 plus 8 GB and this all both are 16 GB, and this is the fan to cool the laptop, and this one you can see the battery. If you want to remove the battery, you can remove before upgrading the RAMs, or else you can do, no issue. And also you can see NVMe Lexar NM610 Pro M2, so generation 3x4 NVMe SSD, this one. So just use the pins to remove. Slowly you can use both hands to remove this one. It will removable. Both are 16 GB. You can see here. We will add in first slot. You have to make sure the pin in between this one. It is fixed now. You can see the clips. It is fixed. Both are fixed properly. If you want to upgrade the NVMe, you can upgrade, but as of now I have 1 TB already, so I am not upgrading this one. Only I am upgrading the RAMs. Again put it back slowly. Okay, we will screw it back. Okay, tight the screws now properly. Okay, turn on the laptop. You can see the laptop is turning on. Now we will see. Open the task manager and go to the performance. You can see 32 GB is installed properly without any interruption. The laptop is open now. It is upgraded to 32 GB. So we use 2 slots. I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.